Hey guys, I am back and it's time to do a camera test of the Honor 8X, and you can see it is a new phone from Honor. I already unboxed this phone on the channel. You can check that out of my channel, and you can see this phone comes with a dual cameras on the back with a 20 plus 2 megapixel combination f1.8 aperture, and secondary is a depth sensor for your bokeh shot as well, and front camera is having a 16 megapixel f 2.0 aperture. So without any further ado, let's quickly show you the some camera samples as well as a video recording. Okay guys, and you can see it is a recording footage of the Honor 8X at 1080p 60 frames per second, and you can see the video quality is, you guys are the judge of the video quality, and it is a 20 megapixel back camera f1.8 aperture, and you guys are the judge of the microphone quality as well. And you can see it is a red rose. And you can see the color reproduction is looking very good. Some rose and the plants is looking very green. Okay guys, and you can see it is a 16 megapixel camera on the front with f 2.0 aperture. This camera is recorded up to 720p, same as the Huawei Nova 3i, nothing special compared to the Huawei Nova 3i. And you can see the color quality is looking very good.
Subscribe now.
And let's show you the some leaves and the plants. And you can see it is a bright background, and you can see that my face is looking very bright as the Huawei Nova 3i, because the camera aperture is very same as the Huawei Nova 3i, but it is a some upgrade version of the Huawei Nova 3i. And you can see it is a bright background, and you can see my face is looking very bright, not dark. I am expected it is dark, but same performance as the Huawei Nova 3i. And peace. Okay guys, and you can see it is a night video recording of the Honor 8X 20 megapixel f1.8 aperture. And I have to say that night feature on this phone is absolutely good on this phone. And you can see this is my bike. Okay guys, and you can see it is a night video recording of the Honor 8X f2.0 aperture. And I have to say the front camera is good in night video recording, in my opinion. And you can see front camera is looking very bright as the back camera, same straight. And you can see the camera quality is also very good on this phone, and difference between a Huawei Nova 3i and Honor 8X. And this one comes with a single camera on the front, and Huawei Nova 3i comes with a dual cameras on the front. And you guys are the judge of the camera quality as well as a video recording. So thank you so much for watching this a camera test of the Honor 8X, and let me know in the comment section below you want to see some more videos about the Honor 8X. And thank you so much for watching this a video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.